Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in ES6, reuse JavaScript code using import. Import allows you to choose which parts of a file or module to load. In previous lesson, the examples exported add from math function.js file. Here is how you can import it to use in another file. Import, and in braces we have add, which will destruct. It is destructuring assignment so that it can get the add variable from math function.js file. Here import will find add in math function.js. Import just that function for you to use and ignore the rest. The // tells the import to look for the math function.js file in the same folder as the current file. The relative path // and file extension .js are required when using import in this way. You can also import more than one item from file by adding them in import statement like this, means by separating them with comma, and we can import multiple items if we want, if the file has the items. Let's see the task for this challenge. Add the appropriate import statement that will allow the current file to use the uppercase string and lowercase string function you exported in the previous lesson. These functions are in file called string function.js, which is in the same directory as the current file. So in this case we will use import after destructuring assignment, not destructuring, just to destructure items from the module. Subtract. Okay, but we are using it for uppercase string, lower case string from this is in the same folder, right? Yeah, and string underscore functions.js and semicolon to terminate it. So let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.